Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. How y'all doing today? Let's talk about this roof right here and soft washing. This roof is a metal roof, which means no moisture has gone through the roof, nor has it ever been soft washed. Now let's take a quick look at the roofing system and why it's failed. If you look over here, the heat has actually tore up the, from expansion and contraction, the tar paper you can see here has actually cracked and come undone. Now if you look here, here are some nails where the moisture, the roofing system has been installed wrong and the moisture has come through and actually corroded these nails, okay? You look over here, the roofing system has failed, and we're gonna take a look over here real quick and you're gonna be able to see actual, right here, rusted nail, rusted right off. This system has never been cleaned. So when people talk about nails being rusty from soft wash, they're full of you know what. Don't listen to them. It's just people trying to sell you their services that are just mad. They're just trying to sell you their services and it's all a bunch of crap. So soft wash does not hurt roofs. Don't fall for it.